ever pondered over the importance of a logo for a brand? Well, a logo is more than just a pretty embellishment. It's a visual representation of a brand's identity, a symbol that encapsulates a brand's essence and communicates its values to the world. But how does one create such a potent symbol? Let's delve into that. There are several types of logos, each with its own unique flavor. Wordmark or logo type is a text-only logo with the company's name in a stylized font. Think Coca-Cola, Google, and FedEx. Then there's the lettermark, similar to wordmarks but consisting of initials or abbreviations of the company's name. IBM, CNN, and NASA are prime examples. Pictorial mark or logo symbol, on the other hand, are graphic-based logos that are often simple and iconic. The Apple logo, the Twitter bird, or the Starbucks siren ring a bell. Abstract logo marks are geometric shapes or abstract symbols that represent the brand in a unique way. The Nike swoosh, the Pepsi globe, and the Shell symbol are all abstract logos. Emblems are logos where the company name is enclosed within a symbol or an icon, creating a traditional, classic feel. Harley-Davidson, Starbucks, and the NFL logo are examples of emblem logos. So how does one design a professional logo? It starts with understanding the brand's identity, values, and target audience. This forms the foundation for a logo that truly resonates. Then comes research. Delve into the industry, competitors, and current design trends to ensure that the logo is both unique and relevant. After that, it's time to sketch and brainstorm. Begin with pen and paper to sketch out rough ideas, exploring various concepts without dismissing anything at this stage. Once a few solid concepts have developed, it's time to digitalize. Use digital software like Adobe Illustrator to refine and finalize the design. Remember, aim for simplicity and versatility. A simple design is easily recognizable and works well across different mediums and sizes. Next, consider color and typography. Choose colors and fonts that complement the brand's identity and message. Then, get feedback from stakeholders, clients, or the target audience to ensure the logo conveys the intended message. Finally, once the design is approved, finalize the logo in various file formats for different use cases. In summary, designing a professional logo is a meticulous process that involves understanding the brand, researching, brainstorming, digitalizing, simplifying, and getting feedback. Each type of logo, be it a wordmark, lettermark, pictorial mark, abstract logo mark, or emblem, has its unique characteristics and purposes. A well-designed logo ultimately is a potent symbol that effectively encapsulates and communicates a brand's identity and values to the world.